Hello, my name is James MacArthur, and I'm the VP of Customer Advocacy here at New. And one of the things our customers struggle with more than anything else is the ability to maintain their custom pricing logic. Because setting up your CPQ, that's something everyone largely knows how to do. Maintaining a custom discounting rail, or like setting up your guardrails, your caps, your discount approvals, what messages there are, it's a constant act of maintenance. And generally, if you have these built-in plugins that show up to the customer themselves or the user themselves, it's something that you need to go to engineering to fix, or you have to go get dev tools to scan your org. It's been a problem for a very long time. And our latest Price Builder AI release has tackled it head on. It's the absolute first agentic pricing engineer I've seen that can test and debug its own work. And I'm really excited to show you. So let's jump in. So the first thing is that the Price Builder AI is built directly into our quote line editor. That means from the moment you jump in to a quote, you can set it up so you can have your 55% cap. Wait, nothing triggered. Okay. Let's go 45%. Interesting. What message? All right. Discount cap to 55%. Let's try 35%. It seems to be running one transaction behind. All right. Now, I can come in here and describe my problem in natural language, and the system will go ahead and diagnose that for me. So when I can say, like, when I discount at the header, it seems to run a transaction behind on the approval or requirements needs. The count doesn't happen, and the messages seem to happen a transaction late. And I can describe what I'm doing quickly and easily. And it's going to not only search for the plugin in question, understand its work, show you its work, but it is going to come in and tell me in real terms what's happening. So I don't have to be an engineer to come in and see what's going on, but I can be, and it'll show me my code. But here I can hit run self-debug, and it's going to go ahead and do this debug run for myself. And you'll notice that it also offers to generate a corrected version for me. But what I'd rather have is I'd rather have it tell me what I'm doing wrong and make the changes after it's observed it, because that makes me feel a lot cleaner. There we go, 75, 45, 25. I made the edit, and we'll see what it comes back with, because it's intelligent enough to know what's going on. It knows my configuration, knows my price book, it has the full context of my org. And so it can speak back to me exactly what's happening. And so it says the plugin sees change line info as null for header edits. It doesn't detect the header pricing change. And it then can go and say, okay, this is running a section behind. Here's what the fix that we need. It'll describe it. It's gone ahead and made that change for me. And now it's going to refresh the screen. And it's going to tell me what to do next, because it is smart enough to do that. So we'll go ahead and hit header discount 60%. There we go, capped at 55. And let's see what we did. Seems like the transaction worked, and we've successfully been able to make this work. So why does this work? It works because it has the full context of your org. It works because it can see everything and proactively activate the rule against my account. And so it will test with you because it sees the full lifecycle. It manages the entire plugin lifecycle. So we'll go ahead and set the discount to 30%. And let's take a look at that message. Sweet. It works perfectly as anticipated. And so now you can own the full loop. Whether you build it, you break it, you fix it without ever having to leave the quote line editor or wait for a developer. It is the entire lifecycle all in one. Thank you for joining this 2 to 5 minute Tuesdays, and we'll see you on the next one.